God, it is your girl Celeste Renee, and I am back with another video. Hold on one second, I need to turn this air fryer off. Y'all, my air fryer, I use it every day, and I literally like broke the knob. I have to find stuff to stick in it to turn it off. Anyways, that's done. What I like good. Okay, I'm not gonna eat on camera because I know y'all don't like that because I be smacking. Anyways, guys, it is officially week. Are we on week 4 or week 5? Good child. Y'all, what week are we on? What week are we on, y'all? Let's see. That was week 3. Okay, so this is week 4. It's Monday, so we're starting week 5, but this video is about week 4. And I have a little announcement. Am I recording? Okay. Y'all, I'm sorry my energy is low. I'm so tired. Like, I literally just want to take a nap. I got a little too turned last night, and I'm just like, I'm hungry, I'm tired, all of the above. But anyways, yes, so y'all, I lost 2 pounds. Wait, was it 2 pounds? 249, 248. Yeah, I lost 2 pounds this week. And now I know y'all probably like, girl, what is wrong with you? Okay, sorry. Anyways, y'all, I lost 2 pounds this week, but I really made this video to let you guys know that I'm gonna stop weighing myself. And so I'm gonna still do the challenge, but I really have noticed this last week that me getting on this scale is not a good situation for me. It still is a trigger. So if you guys know, 12 weeks ago I started seeing a nutritionist because I was having issues with like, well, I had started going to therapy a few months prior to that, and my therapist recommended me finding a nutritionist. So I found a nutritionist, and I was in this 12-week nutritional program with my nutritionist where I couldn't use the scale for 12 weeks. And during that time I had to really like focus on like, you know, my relationship with the scale, my sugars and things like that. So I wasn't using the scale at all. And then I decided like my last week, I was like, you know, when I started the challenge, I was like, I'm gonna start weighing myself. And I thought I had a handle on it. I thought like, oh, this is gonna be fine. But now we're at week 4 of this, and it's just not, it's not it for me. And what I'm not gonna do is all the hard work that I've done in this last 12 weeks to get to the place where I'm at, where I am focusing on what I see in the mirror and not what a number says. I feel like it's slowly starting to trickle down where I'm starting to become obsessed with the scale and letting that dictate my life, and I'm not doing that anymore. So I'm not going to be using the scale for the rest of this challenge. If you guys want to keep using the scale, keep doing that. But for me personally, I just can't. Like this Saturday, I knew that was it for me because I was like getting anxious, like getting on to weigh myself. I like could feel myself like, oh, well, maybe I could like skip this and do this, like getting in that bad, like toxic, like mindset based off of a number. And I'm just like, Celeste, when you look in the mirror and you see that you look good, I'm trying on clothes that are fitting loosely, and I'm getting discouraged because a number on the scale that's not moving the way I think it should move, or as fast as I should. It's just, I feel myself kind of going down that like slope where I was a few months ago, and I'm like, I don't want to do that to myself. So I'm not quitting the challenge. I don't want y'all to think that, oh, she's just quitting. I'm not doing that. I'm just doing what's best for myself mentally, and for me to stay in a good mental place, I have to put the scale back up. So what I am going to do is I'm going to keep doing the videos once a week. So I won't be like telling you guys about a specific number, but I will have my pictures, so my before pictures, and that's what I'm really going to try to look at my pictures, do my measurements. I am going to get some waist beads today because I feel like the waist beads help me stay on task, and I don't have to worry about like an actual number. I could just feel how the waist beads feel. So I am going to do that. I used to have some waist beads for a while, since January, and then in August they broke and I never got any more. But I am going to do that. So honestly, you guys, if you have some good ideas for me to be able to like track the last 5 weeks of the challenge, please let me know, because I'm really open to ideas. Honestly, like I don't know, like I didn't want to quit the challenge, like I didn't want to be like, oh, it's over, because I really want to complete it, but I also cannot put my own mental health at jeopardy just to complete a 5-week challenge. Like I'm not going to do that. And also looking at some of the comments that you guys have been posting, a lot of y'all have been saying like, girl, stop using the scale, like the scale doesn't mean anything, like the numbers like go off of like measurements and things like that. So I feel like I don't feel as bad for this decision, only because I feel like most of the people in the comments are saying the same thing. So it's just like, you know, that, and I really just don't want to have my life dictated by a number on the scale. Like, for what? As long as I look good and feel good and I'm working towards my goal, and my goal is to just be really toned, thick. Well, I'm already thick, but just to be really toned and like, you know, that's just my goal. of course I want to lose weight, but I don't want, the way I'm starting to go now is where I was before, where I was like getting on the scale, like checking the scale, but I didn't do well on the scale, like, oh, I'm just gonna eat this ice cream or eat this. And I don't want to do that, because in the 12 weeks where I didn't have a scale, I didn't have those triggers. I wasn't binge eating because I didn't have the scale to trigger me. So I did the work these 12 weeks and I'm not about to go backwards, period. So I apologize in advance if you guys watch this video and don't feel like I quit on you guys. It's not that. Like, I'm literally getting emotional because it's just like, we live in such a toxic world. It's so hard to be women in this world. Like, these unrealistic like expectations and freaking scales and stupid, I don't want to cuss, but just stupid shit. That's what it is, period. Stupid shit like that just, I'm just not gonna do it. I'm not gonna be a part of it. I don't want that on my channel. And I'm not gonna be fake, because I could be fake and just be like, not have had this conversation and just not have been weighing myself and just be coming on here telling you guys, oh, I lost weight, this or that. I could have did that, but that's dumb. I'm not about to be lying to nobody. And yeah, so I apologize in advance if, you know, you guys feel disappointed or anything like that. Like I said, I'm still gonna be doing the weekly check-ins because it does help me stay on task, like, you know, to know that I have to come on the video. I just don't know another way to like kind of track the progress for you guys. Like, I know for myself I can track it with like measurements and things like that, but those also aren't things that you see within a week. You know, like if you do measurements, you're not going to see a difference within every week, so that's kind of like dumb. I have a body fat machine, but you have to put in your weight in order to do that, and I don't want to step on the scale. I don't want to do that. Like, I'm done with that. So can y'all see this? I brought a juicer. I'm gonna do a 3-day juicing cleanse after Thanksgiving. I'm really excited because I really love juices. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. So yeah, guys, if you know of something, a way for me to like measure for the videos, please comment it below. Like I said, I want to keep doing it because some people don't have an issue with the scale. The scale is not a trigger for some people. So I want to keep doing the challenge because I want to finish it out. And it helps me stay like in the right mindset to achieve my goals. So I definitely want to do that. But yeah, so I did lose 2 pounds this week, and the reason why I'm stopping it is not because I didn't feel like I lost more pounds. It's just, I'm not stopping because I'm like, oh, I only lost 2 pounds, I wish I lost more. I'm stopping it because I know that I'll start getting into that mindset and like just start self-sabotaging, and it's just not worth it for me personally. That's just my experience. Yeah, so like I said, I feel so bad. I don't know why I feel bad. Like, doing something for yourself, you shouldn't feel bad, but I do feel bad because I don't want people to feel like, you know, I just ended the challenge, because I'm not. Like I said, I'm gonna keep doing the videos weekly. I guess I'll just like compare the photos per week. That's still, I don't know, child. I'm gonna have to think of something. I don't think it's something. I need y'all to help me too. Please give me some ideas, like I said. And I know a lot of you guys were like, well, show us what you eat in a week and things like that. I actually recorded those videos. So I actually, last week I recorded 2 videos. So I uploaded 2. So I uploaded the Monday weigh-in, and then like Friday, or I think it was Thursday, I uploaded like a grocery haul. So this week I plan to upload the Monday weigh-in, and then Thursday, I think I uploaded Thursday or Friday, it'll be what I eat in a day. I recorded that. So yeah. Again, if you have any suggestions, please, 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 please leave them. Like, I'm open to whatever you have that will help me still do like a check-in, but not have to do the scale as a measurement tool. So yeah, guys, I hope this video wasn't discouraging. I hope you understand where I'm coming from. If you don't, like, I was gonna say sorry, but I'm not gonna apologize for doing what's best for myself. That's insane. So yeah, and like I said, I'll be back next week with another video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.